With live chat, you can connect with your customers, support them instantly when they need help, and boost your conversion rate. Adding live chat to your website is simple. Just follow our quick 2-step process and be up and running within minutes. Let's get started. When you sign up for Userlike, you get a unique JavaScript code which you can implement directly into your site's HTML. If you don't have a Userlike account yet, you can create a free account by clicking the link below the video. Log into the dashboard. Under Unified Messaging, go to Config, Widgets, and select your widget. Then head to the Install tab. Under the JavaScript widget code option, copy the widget's code and paste it into your website source code, just before the closing body tag. Save your changes and upload the updated source code to your web server. And you're done! You can now start chatting with people on your website by going online in the Userlike Message Center. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!